Welcome students. You have last period the express two meaning of the number a raised to m upon n. Here the a raised to m upon n means what? The nth root of mth power of a, or a raised to mn means what? A raised to 1 upon n raised to mth power of nth root of a. You can solve depends on this generalization, and you can write or read and write this power of root and root of power. Okay, now recall them. Here the sum square of the, suppose here 4 into 4 16 impiles, means 4 square is equal to 16. Also minus 4 into minus 4 raised to 2 means what? The minus 4 multiplied by minus 4. Have two negative numbers here multiply each other, then the positive answer, then minus 4 multiplied by minus 4 is a 16, which is the indicates that the number of has 16 has two square root, is a positive one positive and other is a negative. Conventionally the positive root of the 16 is as shown is the square root 16, and negative roots of the 16 as shown is the negative root 16. Hence the square root 16 4 and negative square root of 16 is a minus 4. The every positive number has two square root, and square root of 0 is 0. Okay, now let us learn the cube and cube root. The cube root of cube means what? The if a number is written 3 times and multiply, then the product of is called that the cube of the number. Suppose numbers 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 means 3 times number and multiply it, then the product is called as a cube of these numbers. Okay, 4 is a 3 times given and multiply it, then 4 raised to 3. Here example 6 raised 6 3 times given and multiply 6 multiply each other, the 6 cube means the 216. Here the 216 is a cube of 6. To find the cube of the rational numbers, any rational numbers, the find the cube. The find the cube of the 17 raised to 3 means 17 multiplied by 17 multiplied by 17, the 4913. The find the cube of minus 6 raised to 3 is equal to minus 6 multiplied by minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. Here the two number multiply each other, then the positive answer minus 6 into minus 6, the positive 36 multiplied by minus 6, then the answer is a negative 216. Find the cube of the minus 2 upon 5. Minus 2 upon 5 raised to 3 means what? Minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5 multiplied by minus 2 upon 5. Here the multiply the rule of the numerator upon denominator form, the numerator multiplied by numerator and denominator multiplied by denominator. Here the 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Here the 2 multiplied by 2 4 multiplied by 2 8 and 5 multiplied by 5 25 multiplied by 5 in is equal to 125. Here the negative 8 upon 25 125. Okay, here the answer is 1.2 into raised to 3 means 1.2 multiplied by 1.2 multiplied by 1.2. The answer is 1.728. आता बघा तुम्हाला या ठिकाणी काही प्रश्न विचारलेले आहेत, हे तुम्हाला सॉल्व करून पाठवायचे. इफ एक्सरसाइज फर्स्ट, यूज युअर ब्रेन पॉवर. In a example, 17 is a positive number. The cube of the 17, which is 4913, is also positive number. In example second, the cube of -6 is a -216. Take some more positive and negative numbers and obtain their cube. Find a relation between the sign of the number and the sign of its cube. In example 4 and 5, observe the number of decimal place in the number and the number of decimal place in the cube of the number. Is there any relation between the two? त्यांच्यामधलं रिलेशन तुम्हाला एक्सप्लेन करायचं आहे. बघा पहिलं एक्झाम्पल की त्याच्यात 17चा स्क्वेअर पॉझिटिव्ह नंबर आला, सेकंडमध्ये निगेटिव्ह नंबरचा निगेटिव्ह आला, आणि जे डेसिमल फॉर्ममध्ये होते जे 4 आणि 5, तर यांचे डेसिमल जो नंबर आहे 1.2, म्हणजे पॉईंट नंतरचा सिंगल नंबर आहे 2, तर त्याचा आन्सर जे म्हणजे क्यूब ऑफ द 1.2 इज 1.728. त्यांच्यामध्ये काही रिलेशन आहे का हे तुम्हाला सांगायचं आहे. तर हे सर्व कुठे सांगायचं तर माझ्या पर्सनल व्हॉट्सॲप नंबरवरती तुम्हाला आन्सर लिहून पाठवायचं आहे. ओके, पाहूया पुढच्या नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओमध्ये. ओके, गुड डे, गुड बाय.